You're in silence with someone at the moment. Somebody doesn't know what to say to you. They cannot find the words. They're frozen. Okay? They could be trying to find the words to apologise. Let's take a look and see what's coming with this. Yeah, they're seeking your forgiveness. However, I'm not so sure that you're going to let them. It just shows here that one day, on that it shows someday, somewhere, another time. So you might have kind of found your peace with this and found your closure and feel as though it wasn't meant for this lifetime. However, this other person, they don't feel like that. The other person is wanting to come in and bridge the gap, wanting to come in and speak, but they just don't know what to say. I feel like every time they go forward to try and speak to you, whether it be a text, a call, or to just come and see you, they lose the words. They've had a lot of pride in the past, and I think that's stopped this connection and messed this connection up. It just shows there that they've kind of always chosen to be in their ego, not be vulnerable, not open up. And in doing that, they've caused so much damage to this connection. You're both hurting from this. Probably because of their actions, not necessarily yours. But yeah, you're definitely kind of both in a place where you're healing from this. It does just show that it has been on and off and hot and cold and up and down and mixed emotions all over the place. This person's been obsessed with you, so it's not that there's not an attraction there, but they're just not sure that they can give you more. So if you're in no contact with somebody, or if you're in a situation where things have gone a bit quiet, it's not over, but you still just don't know where you stand with this person. This person's thinking about you a lot. This person's kind of looking at your pictures, missing you, remembering things that you did together, wanting to create more memories. August is a month that's very important, so if you've lost contact in August, or if they contact you in August to pick things back up, it does just show there that we've got a change coming in. They're wanting to kind of ground this energy and bring to a place of peace. I think somebody here is wondering that and thinking that the other person is happy being single or happy just getting on with things. So there's a lot of unsaid emotions within this connection, whether that's both of you. Maybe you've not said how you're feeling because you don't think this person feels like that, or you don't think this person wants that sort of conversation. So rather than risk it ending, you just don't say anything. Well, that's what's going to change here, because the hammer's dropping. So we are having change, and we are having someone kind of get in touch with their spiritual side here. So really understanding how they feel and why they feel like that, and recognizing that maybe they're not being honest with themselves in this connection. Maybe they didn't realize how they actually felt. So what you know now as this relationship situation is about to change. You're going to be saying goodbye to how it is now. They're going to come in, they're going to chase you, they're going to say sorry, or they're going to try to apologize to you. They are aware that they've been an idiot. They are aware of this. So, you know, it's not like you need to tell them that. Maybe just let them talk. You see what they've got to say, because there's still love in this connection. There's still kind of a hope here and a dream of being with this person on both sides. But the heartache that's gone on needs to be addressed. They need to come in, they need to fix this. They understand that they may have put you in a position where you felt lost, or where you feel like you don't know what's going on. They don't want to break up. They want to fix it. See, they're coming in with a heart there. In fact, there's hearts on both of those. So there's lots of love in this situation, and they understand that they need to be fair to themselves and to you in this. So it does show affection being given, and it does show that a decision is being made. So I definitely feel as though we've got something positive coming off the back of this. Got the death there. That says that this is a time for growth and transformation. So like I said, you're not having the relationship that you used to have. That's done. There's a new change coming in here. And the change that's coming in is going to help move you forward and grow in this connection. But try not to hold on to the past. Try not to cling to what you know of this person, and try and open up to see something new, because there is a new level of intimacy that can come from this, but it's off reflection from this person. So although they're not saying anything, they've got a lot that they do want to say. And when this conversation comes in, ensure that you don't kind of cloud your judgment by thinking about what's happened in the past. Make a new judgment on it. One thing that they are giving a warning for here is do not head straight into the intimacy, because things need to be said, things need to be discussed. Otherwise, you'll find yourself going back around. And if you want this to be a healthy relationship, you must address the issues rather than just kind of, jumping into the lustful side of things. So a conversation is coming that has been a long time in the waiting. But once this happens, you can then progress to the next level with this relationship.